Joan, second in your first race for Pramac and first Ducati. You must be proud of your work tonight.
Pretty happy. It has been a good race and a long race because the end was quite difficult. When Vinales overtook Pecco, I felt I can still have some speed to follow him, and I knew that he's gonna be pretty fast in all the back part of the track. So I immediately overtook Pecco and then tried to catch Vinales, but I was sliding a lot. And at the end, when Mir caught me back, really I tried to keep some breath to push again. And thanks to my engine, I could save the second position. So just fantastic. And I just take the moment now, right now, and I will analyze a little bit more later.
Congratulations.
Merci.